Hi guys, welcome back. I'm with
Kaylin
And Jasmine.
and today we're gonna be doing the
blind.
mute, and deaf challenge, but we're baking a cake. I'm gonna be, what am I gonna be?
You're gonna be mute.
I'm gonna be mute.
Deaf.
And blind.
Yeah, okay. And we're gonna be baking, where's the stuff?
Oh,
Right here. We're gonna be doing a little strawberry cake and with this little Oreo thing. So yeah, what am I gonna do? Did I
So
put
should
the
we get
tape up?
started? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll
we'll
put the
do
tape on.
we'll do yours first.
Okay. I'm like, I'm gonna need a
You're
lot.
gonna need more. No, like your lips are bigger than that.
Tiny.
Mm.
Let me get another one. There we go. Perfect.
There you go.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Now, one more? In the oh, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Now we're gonna do
I just so.
She's like, go, go.
Okay, okay. Ready.
Ready, set, go. Wait, hold on.
Not too tight because my lashes.
Is that fine?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Mm.
I'm scared.
Oh my god, sorry, I just pulled on your hair a little bit. Is that fine?
It's alright.
You like it?
I'm used to that.
Oh, that's insane. Okay.
Alright, your turn.
Oh yeah, I should already have them on.
Oh yeah, you want already?
Okay, so we're gonna start. Okay. Wait, hold on. What are we doing? I'm scared.
Where's the thing?
Okay, yeah, bro, let's start.
Now we need the huevos.
Okay, we're gonna preheat the oven.
I'm scared
What
of
was
that.
it?
I'm scared of that.
Oh, we have to take out the pots from underneath the stove. So that's what we're gonna do. Jasmine, stay where you are.
Okay.
Your hands are so cold. It's okay, just stay here. Okay.
Again.
Okay. We're gonna preheat the oven to 300 what? Oh, 350 Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna grab a pan and put baking spray and use baking cups for cupcakes. Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait.
You want to close the oven?
Wait. Did you already? Oh, we need to do the mix first, right?
Yeah.
We preheated the oven. Okay, stay right there. Okay, stay. Okay. Get the cake mix. We need water and eggs. Oh, milk.
No, you're not even
Milk and
supposed
eggs.
to murmur.
Jasmine, move a little bit.
Guys, I don't know why I wasn't talking because I thought I could
Right there. I can't hear you. Hi. Hi, I'm cooking.
Nice.
No, it's creepy.
Huh? Wash my hands. Why is it falling?
What's wrong, Jasmine?
My lashes.
What's wrong?
My lashes. But it's good now. It's good now.
I don't know what's wrong. The spread smiles is crazy. What's wrong?
Ah,
Oh.
so tight. I got it. Okay, I can like that.
El loquerón Maikito doble P. Okay, be careful. Wait, be careful. Okay. Okay. Now don't move anything, but you can put your hand there. Be careful. This is glass. Okay. Oh, 1 cup of milk. You're gonna hold the cup. Hold it. 1 cup. Wait, hold on, Jasmine. Don't drop that. Now what? 1 bag. 1 cup of milk.
Can I take my chanclas off so I don't spill nothing on my toes? Yeah, I don't want to spill nothing on my toes.
I said it was cropped.
I feel like I'm gonna push the bottom of your toes.
Okay, Jackie. What happened with Jai?
She's running my shoes?
Wait, stop.
Is Chai's running my chanclas?
Okay, yeah. Okay, wait.
Is Chai's running my chanclas?
Oh no!
Oh. Hey, you can't talk.
I can't hear you, Jasmine.
Alright.
I'm not ignoring you.
Should we do this?
Okay, we're gonna open this. Okay, here, you're gonna pour it, okay? Okay, wait, be careful with your fingers. Okay, this is the bowl right here. Feel it? You're gonna pour it in there. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay. Oh, over here. It's gonna be 1 cup. Okay. Stop. That's more than a cup. Okay. I'm pouring the milk. Jasmine, do you want to crack the eggs?
Yeah.
It's so slow. You gonna crack the eggs? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give you the eggs. Feel the bowl. Look, this is the egg. Feel the bowl. Feel the bowl.
Put it down and like crack it.
Mm-mm.
Put it down and like.
Mm-mm.
Oh, you want me to crack
Mm-mm.
it?
Mm-mm. Feel it. Harder. No. That broke it? Wow. Nice. Jasmine, be careful. There, throw in there. No. No, let it go. Okay, next. Wait, hold on. It's 3 eggs total. 1 more. Right there. Go. Oh my gosh, she's so calm. Go again. Dude. She breaks it so gently. Okay. The trash can is right there. Let it go. One last one. One more. There you go. Okay.
I'm pro. I need to raise my hand.
Okay. Next, we're gonna mix it at medium speed for 2 minutes.
Good thing.
Mix with this one. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna mix it.
What is this?
Okay. Anyway.
Anyways.
We're gonna mix it. You wanna hold it? Alright, be careful. Lower? Okay. I think I'm doing a good job.
Where's the pan?
Oh, okay. We're just mixing it right now, Jasmine. Give us a second. I feel like you would salpicarlo, so just let us handle this one.
He's so drunk.
I can't hear you, Jasmine. I feel like I feel you talking, but I can't hear you.
Because we're in sync, like.
She can hear me? She's talking to me? I feel you, Jasmine. Oh.
Interlean.
Oh, hold it.
Interlean.
What, Jasmine? Oh, sorry.
Interlean.
You want to mix? Mix. No. What are you mixing?
Interlean.
Got it. Oh. Slowly. Slowly.
Why is it going like that? What is wrong with you? What is it? Where did you put it here? Why does it feel like that?
Go pee.
Why does it feel like
Jasmine, your hand is gonna go in there. Hold it, hold it. You hold it.
Why does it feel thick?
I think that's how it's supposed to be.
Like that good.
Okay, what's next? This one. Wait, I think it'll fit in both. Yeah.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? I'm scared. I never want to be blind. I went to pour.
Jasmine, we're done mixing.
Oh. I went to pour it for y'all.
Leave that bowl alone.
Ay, se escucha el ruido.
Dude, Jasmine, this is gonna be so bomba.
Oh my gosh.
Our little sweet treat. Okay. What song is this?
You can hear it. Martes 13.
What?
Martes 13.
What?
The
Oh,
song-
yeah? Oh, oh. Le quepe más, no? Let me take a picture of that. Hold on. Jasmine, I need to show you. That's so cutie. I was about to show Jasmine. I'll show you whenever we're done with this.
Alright.
Ashley made a little heart with the cake batter, but on accident.
Aww.
It was so cutie.
I feel like I'm
I would
running-
show you, but you're blind.
I feel like I'm running to the oven. No, okay.
I think ese le quepe más. Should we let her pour some? Jasmine, you're gonna pour it into the pan.
Alright.
Okay. Okay, grab that one. You're pouring it into that one.
Bro, how y'all not overstimulated right now?
grab this. Don't let go of that. Ay, I can feel it. What is this?
You can put it down. You can put it down.
You want to watch her turn around?
Nice. We're gonna see the clips and then we'll be back whenever it's done baking.
Okay, so basically, we're gonna decorate the cake. Is it hot? Warm? Can I touch? Oh, it's not hot. As long as you don't touch it for a long time. Okay, now we're gonna grab. A ver, Justin, quédate aquí. I'm gonna pass you. This is the filling that we got. Oh my god, I look cute. Yes. 10 minutes. What? Oh, you're gonna flip it onto there? Okay. Well, we have the cake, the Oreo one. Oh, Ashley's gonna. She just played with the cake. Jasmine, come here. Come here. Like that. That's so cutie.
Oh, it's a picture?
Thumbnail.
Oh, it's a picture.
Ay, ¿qué canción es esta? Lolo, siempre con mi Barbie. Oh, I love the song. Jasmine, smell. Okay. Now we're gonna ice it. Okay. Oh, we should have gotten sprinkles. I think it's too warm. Jasmine, you're gonna spread some icing, okay?
Okay.
The icing is already on the spoon. It's gonna be on top, so grab it. Okay? Now ice it. Turn it around. Okay, there. You're gonna break the cake.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's beautiful, Jasmine.
Oh, I know what I'm doing.
She's a pirate.
Tina. You wanna hold it while we cut it? Oh, don't hold it from the bottom.
That knife is scary.
I know.
I'm like,
I got it.
así. Sweet treat.
I'm so excited. Ay, Jasmine, this is what you did wrong with me.
Yeah. You broke the cake.
Oh.
Yeah, you did break the cake.
Really weird.
Right there.
When you were like doing it since it's still hot, you like went like that. Let me guess this.
Oh.
Okay, each of us get a little slice. Not this big one.
Oh my god, it's so fluffy.
Yeah, Kim, you wanna try? Kim, Kim!
Kim!
Ah, she's
Kim's just gonna join us for the little
I'm
trying
just opening
video.
it right now.
Wait, ah! Jasmine, we're supposed to. Hey!
Spit it out right now.
You ready?
Okay.
Oh.
Cheers.
No, yeah, no. Like.
Oye, ¿me la cara a mí? I like it. That was actually so good.
Okay, guys. Well, thank you for watching this video. It was very long, but we enjoyed it. And even though I was like murmuring, it was very hard. Very, very hard. Can you just come in? Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.